How often you guys interact with your fans? Maybe through an email chat.
No, I think it's
Facebook, or
probably
SMS?
because through you people are the channel, and I think they are like Teleperka is one of them.
We have created some emails where, we do send across some emails, but I'm not very regular.
I am little off the net too, so मेरा थोड़ा कम होता है ये सब. But I really appreciate the work which you people are doing.
Thank you.
I think it's the best thing.
Now you both are being really modest, I should say.
No, seriously, I mean it's a good job, it's a good thing to do, because we in our professional life don't get time to do anything like this. We hardly get time to sleep. So even if we want to, we don't have an outlet to do it. So it's good that you people get in touch with us, and you also get in touch with people who like our work. So it's a good thing.
So if not acting, which other profession you would have been?
Singing.
I think I'm like a person, would like to have like a mass arc where I have like a huge animal shelter, and I'm working towards that. And I have like all kinds of stray animals there.
Maybe all are, you can take care of Lati Joey team.
You-
We all are like all kinds of
Okay, I thought you were talking about me. Surely I'm not the one.
I just choose to ignore the things he says, so,
And you're a member of?
And I'm associated with PETA and WSC as well, the animal organizations.
Oh, that's great.
I mean like.
And I can't answer for Gaurav. I
No.
breathe, sleep, acting. I'm an actor. I was born to be an actor. Yo!
That's absolutely not correct, because if you would have read my.
He's done his MBA. Well, I didn't think he was an intelligent guy, but
It happened by chance, because I never thought I would be an actor. I was not from Bombay, and I never came to Bombay before my trip. It actually happened. I was working out in the gym, and somebody walked up and they
oh, what a good looking guy. Do you want to work in my show?
It wasn't a show, it was for an ad, and then from there I thought it was good for pocket money and getting my fee back.
I think that's how everyone starts,
That's how I started, and I wasn't.
Played a great role in
Oh yes,
that.
I think luck is definitely an envelope to
And also hard
work.
work, I think, because, it's not only luck. I don't agree with that, because yes, if you don't get an opportunity, you cannot showcase your talent. But I think henceforth from there, you need to definitely be very honest to your work and be really hardworking, which I'm sure he is, and individually each one of us are.
Okay.
I was working as a manager in an IT firm, so my profession would be corporate for sure.
Alright. You're really close to Agni and Roshni in the show, so are you like guys close in real life
Yeah.
as well?
Yeah.
Because I think right now my cook is out of town, so my food comes from Roshni and Avni's place, and sometimes I also binge upon whatever my dear Dami gets for me, so it's like that, and I'm really close to them.
Okay, there's another question from a fan, Momi, for Chandna. A message. I'm a Bengali and I know your sister Nilanjana is married to Bengali superstar Jishu. And how much time do you spend with him?
I don't know, initially I took a lot of time, but now since the show started, I've not visited them like that.
The social life is gone.
Completely, and I miss them a lot.
She has to be with us.
Sadly with you.
Sadly with us, imagine.
With you.
Where she was with a superstar, now she's with us. Yeah. I can really understand.
Okay, so would you like to work in Bengali films again? Like she really liked your work in Prem.
Premi, what's the name?
Prem.
Premi.
It's a movie.
It's a name. You
Bengali.
never told us. Hence, I got a new thing. What Premi?
We get the things out of the box.
No, it's not that I'm not interested in working in Bengali cinema. It's my mom's a famous actor, and she really wanted me to do Bengali films. But I don't know, somehow I guess I'm more rooted in Bombay. So, but if I get another opportunity, I don't know actually. I'm so grounded here in Bombay. I don't know whether I'd go and do it.
So, which is your favorite television actor? Like whom you admire?
I don't think I admire anybody, as in.
What are you saying?
I don't
Come
really
on,
admire.
Just say the truth. Just say the truth. Come on.
Of course,
They're
I'm
loud.
a great guy. There's no ways about it.
There you go.
But that doesn't mean I admire him.
Well, we're coming back to you also.
But I think I like some people's work. I would like to say, but
Name them.
It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. They know.
Except Gaurav, we know he's one of them, but name them.
And then again. It's alright.
Man.
Okay, Gaurav, like let's move on to
Yeah,
you.
I think you say it
Yeah.
first. It's better.
You've worked with Hussain also, sorry. So how is your rapport with Hussain?
He is my family.
Alright.
Yeah, so he's like a brother to me, and I really look up to him as a person and as an actor as well, because I've learned a lot from him. And the whole Kung Fu team where I was a part of, I was quite novice in my profession. I'm still am, but a little more than what I'm a little more experienced than what I was then. Whereas acting capability goes, I think I really like Pankaj Kapoor,
Alright.
and I think he's one of the finest actors we have. If you see the variations which he has done from Makbul to
Yeah, he's fantastic.
to a comic office sort of a show, I really like when an actor can portray everything.
Becomes
Yeah.
versatile.
Yeah. So I really think he is a very, very, very he's a master of his craft.
We'll be talking about today's generation as well.
Alright.
And I would say Hussain probably.
She's hinting to her name.
Really? Like knowing from Premi is what you mean? Yeah, I really like the movie Premi. I really want to know who that girl is. You by any chance know?
Alright.
Yeah.
So guys, it was really great chatting with you and talking with you for Tele Tarka, and a message for your fans.
Please keep watching Love Me Minati Jodi and hope you're liking what we're doing and have fun and all the best to you guys.
Yeah, we'll be same to same. Many the other different.
अरे अरे कहाँ चल रही है भैया पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है
One request from me, Rakesh, and all the other fans. We want you to sing two beats.
Okay, now this is really going international. Now you want to take my.
Gaurav is such a good singer. I have to say this. Oh my God, when I'm like really down, I feel very bad. I come to say, Gaurav, please sing for me.
So
He
you're
sings.
still gonna accompany him. No,
Yeah.
I don't have a favorite song.
Sings well.
I really don't have a favorite
Come
song.
on, Gaurav, I think you can do it. Sing us a song.
Just
Please,
choose
Gaurav.
us your favorite song.
Your favorite song.
Yeah.
Go for it. Go for it. 1, 2, 3,
Oh.
go.
मैं तो जल्दर से ही करता हूँ बस प्यार का मंतर करता हूँ इन चक्कर में ना पड़ता हूँ हाय सफाई क्या हो गया क्या प्यार किया कम वक्त इश्क में तो मार गया कम वक्त इश्क तुझे मार गया कम वक्त
जो भी
हाय
सुन
सफाई
लो।
ओके नाउ बहुत अभी आपने पूछा था व्हेन डिड द गाय लास्ट ऑफ स्क्रीन सो आई थिंक दिस वुड बी वन ऑफ दोस डेज अगर मैं और गाया और आप लोग भी रुकेंगे मेरे साथ तो इसलिए हम यहीं खत्म करते हैं टेक केयर एंड
Please watch us on Tele Tarka.
और आप देखते रहिए हमें टेली तड़का
Cheers, bye.
मजा आया ना गौरव और चन्ना से मिलकर, है ना ऑन स्क्रीन सिजलिंग और ऑफ स्क्रीन अब दी वर्ल्ड कपल। बहुत ही प्यारी जोड़ी है। चलिए अब मिलते हैं हमारे गुमशुदा सेलिब्रिटी से। आज के गुमशुदा सेलिब्रिटी हैं मिशेल रहेजा, जिन्हें आपने सब चैनल के शो लव स्टोरी में अपनी ब्रिलियंट एक्टिंग का जादू बिखेरते हुए देखा। भाई मिशेल, आप अपने फैंस के टीवी स्क्रीन पर वापस आ जाइए, वो आपको बहुत मिस कर रहे हैं। अब टाइम हुआ है हमारे टॉप 5 सीन्स का। चलिए देखते हैं, पर उससे पहले लेते एक छोटा सा ब्रेक।
Every day, children are on the streets looking for a good home, a good education, a good path to succeed in life. Don Bosco Shelter एक बहुत अच्छी सुविधा है जहाँ पे बच्चों को एक राहत दी जाती है और पढ़ने की एक आशा। Visit Don Bosco Shelter in Mumbai, India. Help and give back to the community. It is the one best thing a person can do.
Floral design event planning, weddings and special events, decorative tents, stage decor, corporate and residential accounts. Visit www.aseedandstone.com.